This is how you can use the LeadWave clutch scraper to scrape clutch.co, which is a website which has a lot of B2B companies, and then you can enrich all the information to basically find verified email addresses and phone numbers, all of that nice stuff, so that you can reach out to these people and sell your services, whatever you want to sell. First things first, wherever you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're watching this on LeadWave itself. Below this video, there's going to be a button to download the clutch scraping extension. If you're on the free plan, you might not be able to see it because this is a feature which is reserved for the pro plan users, basically people who have a paid subscription. So you can simply upgrade to a paid subscription and then you'll be able to basically see this, like the button which has the link to download it. So simply click on the button where you can like download it, and yeah, it is going to take you to this Google Drive folder. And yeah, it basically has a link to this Google Drive folder, and this is going to open up. After that, you need to download this zip file which is known as LeadWave clutch scraper.zip, because this has a Chrome extension. So simply click on these three dots and then you can click on the download button, or you can click on this button over here, or you can click on this button over here as well. Basically just download the Chrome extension, and it might take like 30-40 seconds. Like Google will scan it and just double check and tell you everything that yeah, this is absolutely safe. Yep, once you have downloaded, you can simply click on the folder icon so that it's going to open up the file which you have just downloaded. So I already have it downloaded earlier, so I'll delete it. Anyways, let's say you're downloading it for the first time. Simply unzip the file. In order to unzip it, if you're on Windows, you can just search how to unzip a file on Windows. I think you can like right click and click on the unzip button or something. On Mac, it's really simple. You just double click and it automatically unzips it for you, and you get a folder which is named as LeadWave clutch scraper. Really easy and really simple. After that, you can either click on this and click on manage extensions over here, or you can click on these three dots and you can come down, go to extensions and click on manage extensions. Both of these things will take you to this Chrome page where you can like basically add extensions from your computer. At the top right corner, you're gonna see this text which says developer mode. Ensure it's turned on. If this looks like you, like if it looks like this for you, sorry for the mumble, basically like if the developer mode is turned on, you can simply click on the toggle button, and now developer mode is turned on. And yeah, basically click on the load and pack button after you have turned on the developer mode. Like just do this. If it is off, it won't simply work. And then you can come to downloads where you basically unzip the file. You like unzip this file right now, if you remember, like LeadWave clutch scraper, and then we got this folder which says LeadWave clutch scraper. Simply open this folder and click on the select button, and now the extension is going to be added to your Chrome store. And after that, it's really easy and really simple to use the extension. So you can just come down and you can search for it, which says like LeadWave clutch scraper. You can click on the pin icon over here to pin it over here so that you can access it easily. And over here, all you have to do is paste the link from clutch. So you can come to clutch, which is the place where all these things are held. Let's say I wanted to find companies that do marketing, and let's say I want companies that do content marketing. So basically you can search for the type of companies you want to scrape. You can apply all the different filters, like what services they offer, how much of a budget they have, what's their hourly rate, what industry do they belong to, what are their reviews like, and everything. So basically you can click on all filters over here and you can apply all the different filters so that you get exactly what you're looking for. And after that, you can simply like copy the URL over here. All you now have to do is open up the extension, paste the exact URL you copied, and select how many like entries you want. At once you can do like maximum 100,000 records. Obviously we give you a limited, so there's no limits on how many you can scrape. Just at once you cannot do more than 100,000, which is actually a lot. But yeah, simply select how many records you want and you can click on the export leads button over here, and now this is going to open up. You can leave it running in the background. You don't have to check on it or something. You can click on command N or control N to simply open up a new tab on your computer, and you can simply continue working the way you want to. You can do anything. Just leave it running in the background and it's automatically going to scrape the data for you. Once you're scraped all the data, it's automatically going to stop once all the data has been scraped. If you want to download the data before all the data has been scraped, let's say you're scraping like 30,000 companies and you want to like 10,000 of them have been scraped and you want to download it, simply click on the download to CSV button over here and a CSV file is going to be downloaded. Now you can come over to Google Sheets and simply open up the CSV file. I'll come to File, Open, Upload, boom, upload, and now the data is over here. Yep, you can see we have like over here the all the different fields, like the link of it in Clutch. Why is it so big? Like these columns, like they're really big, man. Yep. After that, you get the name of the company, you get like the description, so you can maybe use AI to write a personalized first lines using this information. So this is the company description, and then you get the website of the company. You also get the telephone number, so maybe it might be useful. You see what services they have, if they're verified on thing, what's the minimum project size, their hourly rate, how many employees work over there, when was it founded, what's the location of the company, the LinkedIn URL, Twitter URL, Facebook URL, Instagram URL. You get how many reviews they have, what do people say in the reviews, and yeah, basically you get access to all the information. Now you might be wondering, Sommer, like how exactly am I supposed to like reach out to these people now, which is a very valid question. And yeah, basically like Clutch does not actually contain the name of the owners of these companies. So basically we can scrape Clutch to find their websites, and after that we can use the websites to enrich the data. So what I want you to do is simply come over here where it says like link, no, where it says the website. Yeah, basically select this tab which has the website URL, select it and just like unselect the website URL thing, and now we've copied like all the different websites. You can come back to LeadWave over here, and in LeadWave you can go to dashboard, you can click on lead enrichment over here, and over here you can paste a list of all the different domains, like all the websites which we just scraped, and here you can apply the filters. Like if you want only the founders of these companies, you can enter like what job titles you want, how many employees you want per company. I'll select all employees. You can select if you want only employees with email addresses, or you want people who only have a phone number, and then you can click on the enrich domains, and now basically all these different companies will be enriched one by one. Mind you, at once you can do only 1000 domains using this. So if you have like let's say 10,000 companies, do 1000 first, then you can like copy the next 1000. We give you unlimited credits, but just to like ensure like servers and everything they're not like overburdened or something, we like limit you to do only like maximum 1000 at a time. So yeah, basically as you can see, we found like all the different employees and everything they work, like their email addresses, their phone numbers, all that nice stuff. So basically you can see like how we can scrape it, and by mistake if you like close it, you can go to the history tab and you can download the things from there in the history tab. Yeah, basically that's how you use it. You scrape Clutch using this, then you get access to all the websites, and then you use the websites to basically enrich the data. It's pretty simple and easy to use. That's what I wanted to do when I was creating this scraper and everything. Go ahead, have fun with it. If you have any questions, you can drop a message in the WhatsApp community we have. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Have a lovely, awesome, fantastic day ahead. Bye bye.